Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Walking Dead Survivors. First, download the game from your preferred app store, then complete the initial tutorial missions. These guided steps introduce core mechanics. Next, choose your starting survivor and align with a faction, which impacts your early game strategy and available bonuses. This foundational setup is crucial for your journey in the post-apocalyptic world. Once you've started, focus on building and upgrading your base. Construct essential structures like farms, sawmills, and training camps to produce vital resources and train your survivors. Efficiently gather food, wood, and metal from your base and the surrounding map. Assign survivors to specific tasks to maximize their output and ensure your community thrives. Combat is a key part of survival. Train diverse survivor teams, each with unique skills, and deploy them strategically. Explore the vast map to uncover new areas, valuable resources, and challenging encounters. Engage in battles against hordes of walkers and rival camps to secure your territory and expand your influence. Victory depends on smart team composition and tactical deployment. Joining a faction is highly recommended for long-term success. A strong faction provides crucial support, allowing you to participate in large-scale events and wars. Collaborate with your allies, sharing resources and coordinating attacks against common enemies. Effective communication and teamwork within your faction are essential for achieving strategic advantages and dominating the wasteland.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.